Hi, welcome back. Today, we will learn how to configure Vahana Hub API. In this video, we will walk you through the process of configuring an API. Among the various available types of APIs, we will focus on Vahana Hub API. To begin, click on VDLC, that are the 9 dots, and navigate to Development. Select Middleware. Double-click on the application you want to use and click on vConnect. Click on Import from Vahana Hub. Click on Explore API Provider and use the search bar to find the service you need. For example, we are searching IFAC_data, go to the Services tab and click on a service from Decimal Technologies. Now, click on Subscribe button, tick the checkbox which says is audit log required, and confirm by clicking Yes, subscribe. Once subscribed, scroll down on the screen and click on Try to test the API. Then, pass the request body. Click on Test Now and check if you are getting the response successfully. Go to the Release Manager and click on the sync icon to use it in vDesigner. Then, go to vConnect. Under the Services tab, check if your service is created there successfully. Now, it's ready to be used in vDesigner. If you want to know how to use this in vDesigner, watch How to Consume API in vDesigner. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.